Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. Young Police channel from Jamaica. Big up, Rastafari. Everton Blender said that.
You know, whenever we start in a video, always look on your LCD, because you're going to see where we're going. So you know, right now you're looking at two Jamaican icon, role models, and these guys are treasures. Yeah, man. Both of them represent Jamaica in a positive way, and these are men that our youths can follow them footsteps and try to emulate them. These are role models. You never hear them involved in a criminality. You don't see them around a criminal. You don't see Usain Bolt wearing Panzer behind him body, or Chris Gayle. Yeah, Chris Gayle is Mr. Universe. And you know what I like about both men, Usain Bolt and Chris Gayle they're from humble background and them still not forget them roots. You understand? And when I hear Chris Gayle, somebody send me and say, hey, Mr. Porter, I know this will resonate with you, because true is a man you love, big up Jonestown where you come from as a poor youth, and you talk about, or you not even get to be at the first time you be in a bathroom and when you're on the move, got water, food, and then you say, boy, even after that, boy, you end up back. I see in place where you come from, that's why you can't throw a stone behind you. You talk them thing there, and you say, boy, when you go back there the second time, you're even more focused than you were the first time, because you have a cousin named Leo, and you always talk about him, and all the people I wonder who's Leo. We're not going to say nothing more about our family and them things. Yeah, you understand? So, yeah. So in that show, with Chris Gayle, yeah, man, he might have a birthday party September 21st, 2024. Yeah, man, and the party promised to be the safest and most exclusive in a center in Jamaica. Yeah, where I tell you. So, so Chris Gayle and Mr. Universe. So, we're sure, you're going to hear some things about Chris Gayle and a fat guy named TELLE-TUBBY. Yeah, man, bad mind youth. Yeah, man, you got to hear Chris Gayle tell about him. Because this is a man where, say, September 21st, always same time and them things. So, he might try for derail Chris Gayle. He might try sabotage the man. After the man, you're going to hear how many things him do for him. So that's why we tell people, better you love some people from afar. Sometimes you help people and them see man, a Jamaican them, so them stay bad mind. So, as we tell you now, so this is an exclusive event. You don't have to worry about, because no corrosion and no corrobunkers not there. So you don't have to worry about you see no screw face, because say Chris Gayle party them, an upscale party, I don't know, for corrosion. Yeah, you understand? And you don't know, say you have whole heap of star, worldwide that going to be there. Whilst the TELLE-TUBBY guy, appear corrosion and corrobunkers and all dirty bungle them. Them are there and them thing. The people in the morals, man, we are lick out batty. Yeah, I mean. And that them I don't know and all them thing. You know, see it? Yeah, what I tell you. So, Mr. Universe, Chris Gayle, yeah man, party on September 21st, 2024, promised to be the safest and most exclusive event in Central Jamaica. The highly anticipated gathering will be convergence of some of the world's most respected athletes, celebrities, and dignified guests, including the legendary Usain Bolt. And say Usain Bolt and Chris Gayle, yeah, man, say two of them are two friends. Yeah, you understand? And them in music and them not promote nothing negative. You understand? I never hear the man I support no criminal. Chris Gayle come from out in the east and the man not buy no man no shot and all them things. Although, hey, suppose me tell you, say the people them out of east and all them things, them I say, boy, say anyhow Chris Gayle, no matter how which party you run for, yeah, he will win. Cause them tired of Philip Palwell. That the people, yeah man, people tell about McGregor Gully, them tired of him, cause them not do nothing for them. All them do is appear criminal and murder and them thing them or people them say that about Philip Palwell. Yeah man, all corrows and corrobunkers. Yeah man, all criminals, so I mean. I him killing baby man and him pitney, a wicked man. We have burn a piece of fire upon him and all corrows man. Yeah man, we not support wicked people, you understand? And the man, they are evil, the epitome of evil. Yeah, so as we tell Usain Bolt, is gonna be there. You understand? So the event is designed specifically for individuals who uphold the values of decency, respect, and class, ensuring an environment free from any disruption of negative influence. So the people them with the anti-social behavior, screw up face, bleach out face, you're not gonna see them. They're not gonna be there. Cause them cannot, cause them party are total different party. And them kind of corals there and them thing. And these are places where people well spoken and the likes. So unlike the other parties where anti-social behavior can spoil the fun, this event will be an event for law-abiding citizens and sophisticated guests who appreciate style, finesse, and an upscale experience. It's not just about entertainment, it's about creating a space where people can relax, socialize, and enjoy themselves without worrying about potential troublemakers. So you don't have to worry about the troublemakers them, because they won't be there. Because party of this magnitude, yeah man, troublemakers won't be there. So you don't have to worry about the troublemakers them coming out and creating a problem. So the strict guest list ensures that no one with a problematic or antisocial disposition will be in attendance. I would say, antisocial people them lack communication skill, and so them dumps like a bat, and them feel like people afraid of them because they can't kill them, and them not a problem for go stay in our jail with 20 other man, where man a squeeze up them soldier, and them not a problem for shit, shave, although them not shave a prisoner them, where them can shit, piss, eat, sleep and do everything like pig. So they won't be there. We are telling that. Them people they will make sure we price them out and isolate them. Yeah, although Chris Gayle is from the ghetto, you can be from the ghetto, but you're still not off the ghetto because you're done with the ghetto life. But you still try to help the people them and motivate them, to elevate them life. So that is what he's doing. That's why I have this event yearly. So now we have this big belly guy, a bad mind. Now I try for upstage him, man. So that's how we get involved. Yeah, we don't know Chris Gayle, but look here. There's somebody, yeah man, a special person. You're going to see, we know him, yeah man. And an ordinary person either in Jamaica. So, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So, we continue the journey, yeah. So, you understand? So, it's not just about entertainment. It's about creating a space where people can relax, socialize, and enjoy themselves without worrying about potential troublemakers, corrobunkers, and corrosion, and dirty bungle. Yeah, you don't have to worry about them. The dirty bungle, them won't be there. Yeah man, as you know, we are the Jamaica Young Police. Yeah man, we burn fire on the dirty bungle, them, man. We don't want them around there. Our corals and them dirty bungle, dirty bungle are worst thing, them and them thing. We don't want them. Them for down a Riverton City. Yeah, because they come like chinks. Parasites and, yeah man, them breed like chinks, bed bugs, stink. We don't want them around there. So, yeah, I mean, of course we're better than them. That's why we don't want them around there. So this focus on maintaining a high standard of conduct, which is what set this party apart from others. So any other party you go September 21st, you go with the corrobunkers them and the people them who have anti-social behavior. You might go there, you might all end up lose your life. So, alright, so Mr. Universe, yeah man, that's Chris Gayle, exposed TELLE-TUBBY, that our brother below him name Romeich, as a super bad man and a promoter of rear admirals, yeah man. Yeah, big fat boy. Yeah, I mean, then I say a big belly, bad mind boy, man. Because for a bad mind man like Chris Gayle, you have a bad mind. Because Chris Gayle is a man that come from, hey, you go and hear this man help TELLE-TUBBY, but the boy just bad man, you understand? So, moving on. So as we tell you already, so one of the most notable aspects of this exclusive event is the absence of the kind of behavior that often associated with less refined gathering. So TELLE-TUBBY mago have a event, yeah man. So it's a film event now, you're gonna have the people them, the anti-social people them. Yeah, you know I go around them and them thing there. Yeah, so you might go there end up a mag. I just saw it go, cause them go. They are not going there for enjoy themselves. Them are going to say, boy, who them can't kill. I saw it go on them thing there. When you party run, TELLE-TUBBY people, them and all them thing. You go Chris Gayle, yeah. You go and people have them shirt and them pants and, and them have on them Rolex and all that. Them not for about nobody have to rob them because guess what? Security is for surety. And you're going to see who are the man in charge of security. Them the man on the plane, a party police, may I tell you. You understand? Yeah, so moving on. So there will be no individual walking around with their pants hanging below their waist. And we're going to say below them body. Yeah man, nobody, yeah, as if advertising something indecent. This party is reserved for people who carry themselves with class and dignity. The atmosphere will respect a sense of sophistication, where guests can feel comfortable knowing that they are in the company of like-minded individuals who share similar values. So say him TELLE-TUBBY, say him all corals and them thing. How you mean? Then if him know say the man birthday and him might try for upstage him man. So him want to say him and Chris Gayle, you don't know nothing to Chris Gayle virgin. You understand? And I man help Billy, straight bad mind. So that's why we are telling say, hey look here, if you want to enjoy yourself this weekend, you have to go with Chris Gayle. How you mean? You know go with TELLE-TUBBY there and them thing because you might lose your life there, we are tell you. And I ask you because all of the people them we are going to which party they appear carouse and them thing there. You understand? Not even Bounty Killer going to be there. I want to tell you, not even you understand? Even Cartel, him not even going to there either, because him and the man they are a friend. Cause him, Cartel, I want a baddest youngster in Jamaica, Yeah man, apart from Dudos, over 100 man them man they kill, You think an ordinary feat that the only well, you don't know say George Pan kill more. Yeah, but George Pan killing a mass killing and all them thing there, you understand? George Pan one of the biggest killer that's still alive in him and Spurline, whether Connecticut, we I tell you. Congo. Yeah, so moving on, yeah man. So this commitment to an elevated experience ensures that the event will not just a party, but a celebration of culture, style and integrity. With a carefully curated guest list, top-notch security, and the presence of international celebrities and respectable figures, this event will be a prime example of what high-class party should look and feel like. When you attend Chris Gayle's party, you can rest assured that you are entering a safe and welcoming space where respect and decency reign. So you don't have to worry about nobody a pick you or no man you step on a man's shoes, him clocks, and him want to stab you up or him go and go for him gun in him car if come shoot you. No. This is a place where intelligent people with good communication skill 101. So, and you're not going to see no TELLE-TUBBY there and all them things. No, TELLE-TUBBY are going to wish by the corals and them there. So, we want you to listen to what Chris Gayle is saying. Yeah, Chris Gayle, I'll tell you what's going on and them things. So, you watch, you listen. Hey, as we tell you, we don't know the man, And the reason why because, pretty much similar background. Yeah, man. I just saw it go on them things. Now, we have enough respect for the man. Now, look here. Hey, we're happy for the man and them things. I mean, Chris Gayle a star. I just saw it go on them things. And Black Man for Bossy. Mr. Universe, I mean. Big up. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
This is part of the regime, this is part of life as well. So, once you're down, you always pick yourself up and then come back strong again.
Living the life, we're living the life. Being the party guy takes a toll though. How do you sustain it?
You know what? Most people don't know. I do get 8 hours sleep, which is very, very important. No one will get me too much in the morning because I'm always sleeping around that time.
But not sleeping on the job. Gayle, like his pal Usain Bolt, an endorsement enjoying businessman with his fingers in several pies. Real estate, there's his label, Triple Century Records, even a rum brand, Triple Gold Rum. picking and choosing when he picks up a bat and returns to the pitch.
Cricket has given me everything. Because of cricket as well, I can actually give back. I came from nothing, grew up without electricity. I grew up without water. So now to hear the water in the background now, I'm like, it's flourishing. I'm just grateful and thankful for that.
And serious about raising money through his annual birthday benefit, which this year coincides with another big party. Stir-fry DJ Ding Dongs.
My actual birthday now is pretty much the 21st of September. It's actually on a Saturday. So Ding Dong actually brought his party forward as well on the 21st. I have no problem with that. Ding Dong, a star, and star entitled to do what they want, when they want, and where they want. If Ding Dong called me tomorrow and said, Chris, pull up on my party the 21st of September, I'm going to pull up, because that's the respect I have for Ding Dong as well. Ding Dong have that sort of respect for me as well.
Easygoing, always smiling, Chris Gayle all of a sudden very ticked off with Ding Dong's manager Romeich, whom he accuses of trying to rain on his parade.
I don't have a problem with Ding Dong. I have a problem with Romeich, because Romeich have been violating my side of things on a few occasions. He has done it before, and he's actually doing it again. I don't know if he's carry feelings in some aspect, because I'm not using anyone from his team to actually be a part of my party. I know Romeich for 20 years. I put Romeich on the platform. Not only I, me and Toto Marlon put Romeich on the platform. We used to call Romeich India. Now we make Romeich make money from that about 20 years ago. We put money in a Romeich pocket. We highlight his brand across the Caribbean, across the globe. So we used to buy Romeich clothes, and we used to floss him clothes, and everybody wanted the clothes. When me and Toto, I rock Romeich. For Romeich to come now, Romeich even stopped sponsors from actually sponsoring my party. Can you believe that? When I asked him about that as well, he was like, "So Chris, I'm loyal to the corporates." So for Romeich to say something like that, it hurt me. I'm talking like 2 years ago, he did that. Best weekend just finished recently. I saw Romeich at the party. Romeich said, "Chris, I never forget what you have done for me. You put me on the map. You did this for me, but yet still, you come and choose a date, like the 21st. Like I said, every man have entitled to do what they want, but I'm just talking about the levels of the thing as well. But like I said, if Ding call me and say pull up the 21st, I'm going to pull up, because me and Ding good, and me respect Ding right across the board. But Romeich, I try shaft the thing.
Can you present some evidence to back up your claim that Romeich has some reason to be getting in your way?
Listen me, I'm not the type of person to come out and say this about any particular brand. I'm speaking facts. I'm speaking facts. It's reality. It's right there. You want to talk to him and ask him? Yo, sometimes you talk to him on the phone in tone of voice, sometimes just disrespectful at times.
So you called him and said, "I don't really appreciate it."
It doesn't make sense to call him. Whenever I call him and tell him, said, because the date done set already. It doesn't make sense to call him. I'm not call him. Call him, sure. Like I said, nobody not owe me anything anyway. You see what I'm saying? Nobody owes me anything. I'm not entitled to do what they want. I'm not entitled to speak their mind and say what they want. But I'm just speaking my mind and just say what I want.
People who might have gone to your party will opt instead to go to Ding Dong's party.
I don't worry about who come to my party now. I will always have a good time at my party. I'm supporting people coming from New Zealand, Australia, England, South Africa, India. I have so many people always flying in to come to my party, to support my party. And I have my local people here as well.
At the end of the day, isn't this just business?
It is business, absolutely. No problem with that. I've been supporting the business for years. Before it became Dream Weekend, you have ATI. You've never seen any of those promoters at my party. From ATI, Dream Weekend, furthermore, any other party. But Chris Gayle is always at their party. They use Chris Gayle image all the time. Chris Gayle spend this amount of money at their party all the time, but you never see any of those promoters at my party.
And
never.
What does that tell you?
There's no loyalty. Them just a user. But Chris Gayle want to have fun. I go and have some fun.
Why did you decide to go public with your issue with Romeich?
Because, you know why? It's getting too blatant now, it's getting too disrespectful. Most people don't know what happened behind the scenes. Romeich want to come treat you like you're a boy. I'm a big man. Yeah? You're a big man. He needs to understand himself. I mean, I have to pick up the phone to call the Romeich. Yeah? Romeich should know where he come from and who boss him and who put him on the platform. Yeah? Who put money in a Romeich pocket from 20 years ago and make him well known. Alright? Him to know that. You know what? Even when him disrespect me and pull the sponsorship from my party as well, you know. And tell the people and say, yo, Chris Gayle have him rum already, so him loyal to the corporate. I don't carry feelings. And if me see him and if him see me, if he want to heal me, heal him. You see me answer? But that's just it. But him just need to know himself. Straight up. And then a boy I'm a deal with. Him disrespect me a few times and I make it slide. Chris Gayle too easy and too laid back. Them days are done now, man. Start running some people.
And if he extends the olive branch to you, as you said earlier, you're good.
Yeah, man, he's invited to the next party next year. And he better bring the team too. Everybody. Straight up. No joke.
Sounds a little bit like a threat.
Nah, that's not a threat. That's not a threat. He's gonna pull up. I'm inviting him next year.
I true man, I real blessings to people, G. And everything we do will make people see. Man, I stop.
What Chris Gayle need to do, man, make them carouse them stop using image and him liking, say, advertise them party, dream weekend and all these things, you understand? But look here now, yeah, well, you see at Chris Gayle party, I be safest place and them thing. Dingan part, the party where them a try for upstage, Chris Gayle, no, for them party, dummy party and them thing. Because when, if I have Jamaican #1 top crime fighter, when we say #1, we attack island wide. This are the man now, you know, yeah man, party police. Him are the man, you know. Him will be there at Chris Gayle party. You understand? So, the other party, they want to keep September 21st. A joke thing. I pay Corros now and Corro Bunkers are there. And you know, say, I only put a gunman are there. So, you understand? So, the police see that need to give it some attention. Yeah, I mean. I pay Corros now there at Dingang party. Pay a gunman. So, you understand what I'm saying? We don't care which way you want to keep him thing. What you mean? I pay Corros now there and Corro Bunkers. You know, at them are there and them thing there. So, you know, no Corros. No courses or Corro Bunkers, you know, will be there. You know, no Corros not gonna be there. You understand? So to miss is to this, so you have to be there. And Chris Gayle need to stop support them people there and stop going them party. Anytime them use him image and liking, sue them. How you mean? You understand? Because as they say them not no loyalty. You don't know what Jamaican people are dealing with. Some bad mind people. But I like the brother background and them thing because the man I come from nothing. And him don't forget where I come from. He might keep him party for the youth them. Bad mind the boy, bad mind the man, boy, say boy, you understand, I get other people for, boy, a boy cut the man thing, you know, sabotage the man or something and them thing, a big Teletubby, hey, you know, so me never really, because although I never know the brother and them thing, but something about him, them kind of arrogant and, I don't normally like them kind of people there, yeah. So, Jamaica top crime fighter and renowned party police, yeah man. You understand? Linward Edwards will be on scene at Chris Gayle's highly anticipated event, ensuring an unparalleled level of security and order. So this individual celebrated for their unwavering commitment to maintaining peace and safeguarding high-profile gatherings will be leading a dedicated team of professionals whose sole focus is to guarantee the safety and comfort of all attendees. With their presence, you can be confident that no illicit activities, troublemakers, or disturbance will infiltrate the party. So no Corros won't be there. We can tell you that. No Corros and Corro Bunkers, yes, they won't be there. Safe place. So you don't have to worry. So the enforcement will be thorough, yet discreet, designed to keep the atmosphere fun and relaxed while ensuring that no undesirable elements, because that's where they want to be, a ding-dong thing. And you know, say gunman are there for fire shot, so you know, see that no need for go there. You know what I mean? And I make sure you find the gunman who forgot the departure long, I saw it go. You know what I mean? I show where, you know what I mean? Because Corros and Corro Bunkers will be there. We are fight against what? We don't fight. Chris Gayle come from ghetto too. We don't know about Ding Dong. We are Ding Dong and a friend. And we are Chris Gayle and a field. But Chris Gayle, role model. Yeah. Who's Ding Dong? Ding Dong and Carousel, man. Yeah, understand what I'm saying. What them do? Them don't do nothing positive. So I just saw it go. We all about positivity. As we said, no undesirable elements such as corobuncles or carousing or disorderly individual find their way inside of Chris Gayle's party. So this means you can dance the night away, mingle with international celebrities. People them who got the corobuncles and the carousing, them can't come at Chris Gayle party because them not people, social skills and people skills. You understand, sir? When they're talking with the guests, these people from New Zealand, Australia, the United States of America, Canada, Mexico, and all the various places on the planet, they can't communicate with them because their means of communication is just for a certain segment of the Jamaican society. So the best place for these people is to stay by Ding Dong thing. You understand, where them can. More or less you might end up at the departure alone because that's how it goes. I mean, you understand. So we'll continue the journey. So rest assured there will be no chaos, no corobuncles, and no unruly behavior. The integrity of this event will be fiercely protected, creating an exclusive environment where you can let your guard down and full joy. Yeah man, full joy or full enjoy the experience. So to miss the party is to miss out on a more than just a social event. Is to miss an iconic moment in Jamaica's entertainment scene. The fusion of world-class entertainment, top-tier security, and sophisticated guest list makes this gathering an unforgettable occasion. All Shaggy are going to be there. Yeah, Shaggy are going to be there. Busta Rhymes, they come perform too. I mean, so that's what we hear, for a night Graham Vice. Don't be surprised if you see Busta Rhymes at Chris Gayle's party. So missing out means forging the foregoing, the opportunity to be part of a safe, elite and vibrant atmosphere where everything from the music to the company is carefully curated for an exceptional experience in short. So this is the place to be if you value high-class enjoyment in a secure and refined environment. So if you want to get rid of the corals and the corobuncles, this is a place you're supposed to be. You understand? We are talking like we're friend like Ricky Chinny and all them youth and the Christian and the and with the on and them thing there, you understand? So the universe boss Chris Gayle has recently exposed Romeich, also known as TELLE-TUBBY, you know what I mean, for being deeply envious and grateful and consumed by bad mind. This revelation has sent shockwave throughout both the music and entertainment industry, especially considering their long-standing relationship. 20 years ago, when Romeich was just starting in the business, it was Chris Gayle who played a pivotal role in helping him rise to fame. Badman the boy, big belly boy, Badman, TELLE-TUBBY. So Gayle, with his massive global influence, promoted Romeich's clothing line and supported his ventures, propelling him into the limelight and helping him achieve significant success and wealth. And people say him arrogant in him, love disrespect people, where even people help him along the way. I saw him stay. You understand? So it was through these early efforts that Romeich was able to carve out his name and become a notable figure in the industry. However, as time has passed, the ungrateful Romeich once seemed to have for Gayle has turned into jealousy and animosity. Disrespect the man, and right now he might try for upstage the man's birthday. It's just like how say Sting, December 26th, Sting. People, nobody no keep dancing in Jamaica unless like in a country, in some mountain and them thing there. But yeah, you know in a ram jam and all of them thing there. That day there, yeah, a man can't keep him show Christmas, or him can't keep it, but that day there, reserve, island wide, no big show, or the Sting. So what this brother I do now, at this Chris Gayle. So the police say, the police them need to go raid it and lock it down. You can't do that. Or if it is the man, I saw it go on them thing there. Chris Gayle is a celebrity, and Chris Gayle is a role model for youth from the ghetto. Romeich is a role model with him big, Him a role model for Rear Admiral. You understand? Cause him one of him boy and a big Rear Admiral man. And him not a problem with that. I want to see him with a little bag. The bag where you see him cross him chest in a Rear Admiral bag, them bag there, you know. So we are going to do a video about it and explain. Because I don't know that him understand the facets of these bags and them things. You know, see some people and think that's style. But that's why we are telling you, Jamaican are homophobic, you know. Enough I want to know that. Because when all the Rear Admiral them see all them TELLE-TUBBY with all them bag they cross, them feel nice. So we're going to do a video and tell you what these bags signify and what the meaning of it. You understand? So, however, as time pass, you understand? Chris Gayle, yeah man, Chris Gayle, it was through these early efforts that Romeich was able to carve out a name for himself and become a notable figure in the industry. However, as time passed, the gratitude Romeich once seemed to have for Gayle has turned into jealousy and animosity. Him just get bad mind. So instead of appreciating the hand that helped lift him up, Romeich has now begun actively working against Chris Gayle, attempting to sabotage his efforts to give back to the community. So Gayle, known for his annual event aimed at uplifting the youths in Rallington Town, Kingston, an impoverished area in desperate need of opportunities has faced unexpected resistance from Romeich. Rather than supporting these charitable endeavors, Romeich has been reportedly rallying others to boycott Gayle's show, an initiative tarnishing what should be positive effort and to help the underprivileged. Hey, and look here, all the boy when him ding down are corals and bunkers and bad mind, because him know say the man date. You understand? Him know say a Chris Gayle date and them thing there. That day there. And him a keep for him thing. So the man ain't a friend either. A corals in them, a bad mind and coral bunkers people them. Dirty bungle them. You stay far from them, man. So this betrayal is particularly painful for Gayle, and as a philanthropic work in Rallington Town has always been a deeply personal mission. The annual event he organized are not just parties, they serve as a beacon of hope for the youth, providing them with entertainment, support and resources in an area often forgotten by the broader public. Gayle's commitment to his roots, despite his international fame, highlight his integrity and desire to give back to those in need. But Romeich, rather than supporting these initiatives, has instead turned his back on the very person who once helped him to rise to prominence. Typical Jamaican, bad mind. So the revelation of Romeich's actions showcases not only his ungratefulness, but also his deep-seated insecurity. A big, TELLE-TUBBY, it seems that instead of celebrating Gayle's success and his contribution to the community, Romeich has chosen to let jealousy and bad mind, because just like how you say him big, I say him mind bad and big too. Bad mind drive his decisions. This the deliberate attempt to undermine Gayle's effort to uplift the youth of Rallington Town reflects a troubling pattern of betrayal in the entertainment industry, where their once help often turn against their benefactors out of greed and envy. So despite these challenges, Chris Gayle continued to stand tall, exposing TELLE-TUBBY true nature while staying committed to his mission. His dedication to the youth of Rallington Town and his refusal to let sabotage or envy deter him speaks volumes about his character, integrity and reputation. In the face of TELLE-TUBBY betrayal, Gayles remain focused on giving back to the community and ensuring that the next generation has opportunity they need to thrive. And here the man say, oh, when him agree that him have running out and fear what you understand that them thing we don't forget where we come from. So that's why we talk all the while, say, I want two of us from my age group left, two. So you understand, so whatever you hear us do right here at the Jamaica Young Police, and it's all about the future. So we burn a fire upon TELLE-TUBBY. TELLE-TUBBY are corals and coral bunkers. Also the one named Ding Dong. We don't know him and we don't want to know him. We don't think to sell for their music or garbage. If on a positivity, we don't know it. We don't subscribe to garbage, period. I just saw it go on them thing. We all about positive things. So you understand. So have yourself, remember, you know, if you want to enjoy yourself, mingle with celebrity and people who decent and them have them pants down and them batty invite man for tell man say, well, them available, cause that you know, most of them don't know that you know. Cause you see Jamaican people, them dummy, them that dummy, you know. Cause them know so them wear them pants and them batty. That means they are rear admiral and them a do it. And them feel say it cool. Me don't know how people attracted. Well, I tell you, just everything just upside down. But hey, we still not give up, you know, cause we know that we're very optimistic about the future. You have a woman named Favour Williams and we give thanks to her. So I do a video about her tomorrow. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.